this is Leslie, and I know I look so terrible right now because I just took a shower and I wasn't planning on filming this video, but I didn't want to leave you guys without another video on Monday because I didn't upload last week. So yeah, and I was like very excited to actually film this, well, to do this kind of videos. I decided to try out the ugly location photo challenge. So I've been watching so many of these videos with my best friend. She actually was the one who showed me these kind of videos. We watched them from different YouTubers. I'm gonna try to link all of them in the description box, the ones that I got inspiration from. Well, the first one that I watched, it was the point of it was going to a crafting store and try to take some cool pictures over there. And we also watched some other videos that they went to Lowe's, to Home Depot, Michael's, Joann's, and all those kind of stores that you usually don't go to take pictures. But yeah, so I decided to go with my best friend. Yeah, I hope that you really like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with everyone. I'm gonna give you all my social media links down below in the description box if you want to check out all those pictures that I took. I'm gonna be posting them on my Instagram. You can also get some inspiration from them. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So the first store that we went to try out some pictures was Joann's, I think it was. Yeah, it was Joann's, and we took some pictures with flowers and tried recording some things, but I didn't recording any video when we went there because it was just try out the location and how everything was going to be. So I cannot show you any video, but I'm gonna show you the pictures that we took over there. They're gonna start popping up around here, and they're also gonna be on my Instagram, so I'm gonna give you the link down below if you want to check them out. And then the second location that we went to, that was Home Depot. And actually from that video, the first picture that we wanted to take, that was with some lights, and we had to get on like this kind of like counter. And first my best friend went over there to get her pictures. I took some pictures of her. But then after that, it was my turn to get into that counter, and then one worker came and he told me that I had to get down because if I get injured or something like that, then I could sue them or something like that, I guess. But I was able to take one picture over there, so this is how it turned out. I really liked how it turned out. I had to edit it because without everything that I did, it kind of looked a little bit orangey, and so with the edition, I really like how it turned out. If you want to watch a video of how I edit my photos, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do it next week. Then after Home Depot, we were looking for some cool locations in there to get some pictures from, but there were a lot of workers, so we couldn't. We went to the gardening side of Home Depot, and that was actually pretty cool. We took some pictures with some flowers, real flowers, and kind of like the grass that they have there. Like the trees and palms and all of that. And one of my favorite pictures was one that I took with a cactus. It turned out really good. It doesn't look like I'm taking it at a store or anything like that. Then when we started taking these pictures with the flowers and these things on Home Depot, there were like some guys behind us and they were kind of laughing at us, so it was kind of uncomfortable at the beginning. And we actually when we started doing this challenge, it was kind of awkward for us, but we started getting used to it, just taking our pictures, and we wouldn't care what people were saying or if they looked at us. But yeah, at the beginning it was kind of a challenge to get used to it. Then after Home Depot, we decided to go to Michael's, which is a crafting store, and we took some really cool pictures over there. Since I really liked the cactus picture from Home Depot, we decided to try it out at Michael's, and I recreated that. Then also at Michael's, we try to play a little bit with the props that they have in there and try to make our own decoration, our own background. And some of the pictures I really liked how they turned out, but others were kind of like weird. But I'm gonna show you everything and how they turn out after I edit them. Most of the time I tried finding some backgrounds that would match with my Instagram theme kind of thing, because I've been having a lot of flowers and I've been posting yeah, very colorful pictures, so I wanted to find something that would match and would look good with my Instagram. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope that you really like it. If you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you want me to do. I was thinking of doing a how I edit my Instagram pictures, so if you would like that, give this video a big thumbs up and also let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I hope to see you in more in my next videos, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!
Ella